Oh, you are in for a treat today because we're making slow cooker chicken tikka masala. And honey, this dish is creamy, spicy, and packed with bold flavors. If you love Indian food but want something effortless, stick around because we're about to turn your kitchen into your new favorite takeout spot. And the best part, we're doing it all in this slow cooker, which means maximum flavor, minimum effort. Now let's talk chicken. We're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs because they stay juicy and tender. Can you use chicken breasts? Sure, but thighs? Thighs bring the flavor, the juiciness, the drama. We love thighs around here. Before we dump everything in the slow cooker, we're giving our chicken a VIP experience with a spice-packed yogurt marinade. In a bowl, mix Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garam masala, cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, salt, and cayenne. That's right, we're layering in those warm, fragrant spices that make tikka masala taste so ridiculously good. Toss in your chicken, coat it well, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Overnight, even better. Let those flavors move in and get comfortable. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of using a separate pan like some kind of peasant, we're taking full advantage of the sauté setting on our slow cooker. That's right, we're keeping it one pot, one dish, no mess. Hit that sauté button, melt some butter, and throw in chopped onions. Let them cook until soft and golden because every great recipe starts with sizzling onions. Next, in goes garlic and ginger. Oh, that smell. That's the scent of people thinking you spent hours in the kitchen. Let it cook for a minute, just enough to wake up those flavors. Now, if you're feeling fancy, go ahead and sear your marinated chicken right in the slow cooker. Just 2 to 3 minutes per side will give it that irresistible depth of flavor. But if you're in a rush, just toss it in and keep it moving. No judgment here. Next, we build our sauce. Pour in tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and a touch of sugar to balance the acidity. Give it a stir, put the lid on, and let the slow cooker work its magic. Set it to low for 6, 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours and let the flavors mingle, marry, and turn into something amazing. Now fast forward a few hours, your house smells insane, like people might start knocking just to see what's cooking, but we're not done yet. Stir in heavy cream or coconut milk if you're dairy-free and fabulous. And let it warm through for about 10 to 15 minutes. And just like that, you've got slow cooker chicken tikka masala, rich, creamy, and absolutely divine. Serve it with steamy basmati rice or warm fluffy naan and prepare for instant happiness. So, are you making this tonight? You better be. And if you want the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com because great food should always come with a side of sass.